Hi there, how are you all? Myself Mumtaz, the serving soul, the founder of Healing Heaven Global, would like to announce we are coming up with many online programs, the courses, starting from removing negative energies. In this one day program, you will understand what is the meaning of negative energies. Okay, and we are going to put you in a guided meditation, very powerful meditation. We are going to take the helping hand from the divine beings, the enlightened beings, to come and cleanse you from the root cause. Okay, this is going to be one of the program. The second program we will be having the most powerful spiritual protection shields, how we can be protected by the divine beings, how we can get the divine protection shields from the higher realms. That we will be seeing in that, how it is going to help you in day-to-day life. Okay, the third program what we are going to have online course is all about the self-corrective healing, how you can cure yourself, how this process, the most powerful technique, has helped thousands of people to get rid of many critical illnesses. About this process, we are taking the helping hand from the divine beings, and it has proved that this process can also heal the cancer patients. This process you'll be learning. And also if you are having any kind of disease, you feel that doctor is not curing you, the medicines are not working, just pick up this product, pick up this course, online course, and definitely it will help you. Okay, and definitely it will connect you to the divine, because we have three bodies: physical, astral and causal. Astral body also known as the emotional body, where all the emotions are creating the diseases in our life. Okay, so again it's going to be the wonderful process. Then we have the chakra healing, the chakra cleansing, the chakra activation, very powerful program. Okay, again this is also going to change your life, the way you see the life. Yes. Then we have the most powerful online course on relationship healing. Many people, they go through a lot of relationship problem, so we have wonderful, again it's all guided meditations, taking the helping hands from the archangels from the higher dimension, and the masters again from the higher dimensions. Okay, and we have money healing, those people who are going through a lot of money problem. Somewhere it's always question, why this is happening with me, why the money comes and goes. All the answers will be given to you in the money healing program. The same thing goes for relationship. Why we always have so many whys in our life. Why with me, why my mother-in-law is like this, why my husband is doing like this, why my children are disturbing me. If you have many questions where relationships are concerned, you need to buy this online program, online course, which will change your life. The perception of your life will change after this doing this program, online course. And same thing goes for, it's going to be a wonderful programs, online meditation program, which will really transform you from the within. Because ultimately after these programs, you are going to get connected to your higher self, what we call as superstar. We have a slogan, we keep saying, doctor can be our friend, but we are the spiritual doctor to ourselves. Yes, we are the spiritual doctor to ourselves. We don't need anyone, because we cannot change others, we can change ourselves, isn't it? So starting from removing negative energies, it is there in our hand, how to remove, where you can see the changes after the process. I guarantee you. Okay, I guarantee you that process will change your life, the way you look the life. Okay, the perception is going to change, how you see the world. Okay, the same thing goes for the chakra healing, relationship healing, self-corrective healing, money healing. So wonderful online courses we are coming up with. So please Definitely I would like you all to spread this news, spread this announcement to your friends, your relatives, your family. Let each and everyone get benefited through this, because ultimately it is going to transform your life. If you are seeing this, please click on the link, register yourself to get into the course and transform your life and help others to get transformed. Thank you so much. I love you all.